Good morning everybody. It's a miserly Tuesday morning in Holywell Bay. Hey, it is what it is. It's September after all. Yesterday was gorgeous. Today is really nice for flying. No wind. I'm in a beautiful part of the country. Yes, it's lights maybe not great. Perfect for portraits, being fair. What we're going to do is go fly through this section here, hopefully get to the rocks, see how it goes. Happy flying, buckle up and put your seats up. Cheers! I think that was fairly successful. Holywell Bay and I think it's Gull Rocks, I'm not sure, I'll find out. But I loved that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the footage should be decent. Parked at Holywell Bay car park, National Trust car park. Big respect to them, it's a lovely big car park, manned this morning by two ladies. And yeah, anybody wants to join the National Trust, please do so. It is well worth keeping our heritage. Speak soon.